Vietnam is the undisputed leader in dragon fruit production, accounting for over 50% of the global harvest. This Southeast Asian nation boasts a perfect climate and fertile soil ideal for cultivating this exotic fruit. With its extensive cultivation areas and advanced agricultural techniques, Vietnam produces millions of tons of dragon fruit annually, satisfying both domestic demand and international exports. Dragon fruit embarks on a multi-step journey through the factory, undergoing a series of transformations before being bottled into the refreshing juice we savor. In this informative video, we delve into the fascinating world of dragon fruit, exploring its cultivation, harvesting, and factory process. Dragon fruit cultivation thrives in well-prepared soil. Ideal soil conditions include a sandy loam texture with ample organic matter, ensuring excellent drainage while retaining essential nutrients. The optimal pH range for dragon fruit is between 5.5 and 6.5, favoring slightly acidic to neutral soil. To achieve this, thorough soil testing is crucial, followed by amendments like organic compost or lime to adjust pH if necessary. Before planting, the land should be deeply plowed and tilled to create a fine tilth, eliminating weeds and ensuring proper aeration. Well-drained soil is paramount to prevent root rot, a common issue in waterlogged conditions. Incorporating organic matter like well-rotted manure or compost enriches the soil with nutrients, improving its fertility and structure. By meticulously preparing the soil, you lay the foundation for healthy dragon fruit plants and a bountiful harvest. Dragon fruit plant, also known as pitaya or pitaya, is a captivating cactus species native to Central and South America. Renowned for its exotic appearance and delicious fruit, it has gained popularity worldwide. Dragon fruit plants are a captivating sight, especially when adorned with their stunning white flowers. These large, fragrant blooms unfurl at night, attracting nocturnal pollinators like moths. The contrast of the pure white petals against the vibrant green of the plant's foliage is truly mesmerizing. As the sun rises, the flowers begin to close, and if pollination is successful, they will eventually give way to the iconic dragon fruit. This ephemeral beauty makes the white flowers of the dragon fruit plant a cherished spectacle for gardeners and nature enthusiasts alike. Dragon fruit is a visually striking fruit with a vibrant red or yellow skin that is often likened to a dragon's scales due to the presence of prominent green scales. The inside flesh can be white, red, or yellow, and it is speckled with tiny black seeds. Dragon fruit plants are a truly unique and visually captivating species of cactus belonging to the genus Halosurius. Dragon fruit plants are climbing vines that can grow horizontally along the ground or vertically up trellises. This vining growth habit allows them to reach impressive heights and cover large areas. LED grow lights are used in dragon fruit farms to manipulate the plant's photoperiod or the length of daylight they receive. Dragon fruit plants are photoperiodic, meaning they flower and fruit in response to changes in day length. Dragon fruit flowers are nocturnal, meaning they open at night. This adaptation is thought to be a strategy to attract nocturnal pollinators like moths. Dragon fruit plants, scientifically known as Halosurius undatus, are captivating climbers with a unique appearance. Their long segmented stems, often adorned with vibrant green or reddish hues, resemble a dragon's tail, hence the name. These stems are equipped with aerial roots that allow them to cling to various surfaces, making them ideal for vertical gardening or growing on trellises. The plant's flowers are a sight to behold, large and fragrant, typically blooming at night in a stunning display of white or cream. These nocturnal blooms give way to the exotic fruit, encased in a vibrant skin that can range from deep red to pink or yellow. The fruit's flesh is soft and juicy, often speckled with tiny black seeds, offering a sweet and refreshing taste. Proper watering is crucial for the health and productivity of dragon fruit plants. While they are drought tolerant, consistent moisture is essential, especially during the growing and fruiting seasons. Harvesting dragon fruit is a delicate process that requires a gentle touch. The fruits typically ripen during the summer months, signaling their readiness with a vibrant color and slight softness. To harvest, carefully grasp the ripe fruit and gently twist it from the vine. If the fruit detaches easily, it's ready to be picked. Avoid pulling too hard, as this can damage the plant. It's important to harvest the fruit before it becomes overripe, as this can affect its taste and texture. The farmer looks carefully at the dragon fruit plants to find the ripe fruits. Ripe fruits are bright and colorful. The farmer picks the best fruit, which is smooth and shiny. The farmer gently twists the fruit, and it comes off the plant. The fruit is beautiful and colorful. The farmer puts the fruit in a basket. It takes many months to grow dragon fruit. Harvesting dragon fruit is a special time, and it shows how nature and people work together. It's a tradition to harvest dragon fruit, and it's a way to celebrate the earth's gifts. After harvesting, dragon fruits are carefully packed into boxes or crates. These containers are designed to protect the delicate fruits during transportation. The boxes are then loaded onto trucks or other vehicles that are specially equipped to maintain the right temperature and humidity levels. This helps keep the fruits fresh and prevents them from spoiling. Once the harvested dragon fruits arrive at the factory, they are carefully inspected and sorted. Ripe, undamaged fruits with vibrant colors and firm flesh are selected for further processing, while those that are overripe, underripe, bruised, or damaged are discarded. The selected fruits are then thoroughly washed in a series of tanks to remove any dirt, dust, pesticides, or other contaminants that may be present on the surface of the fruit. After washing, the fruits are rinsed with clean water to remove any residual cleaning solution, and then dried using air blowers or other drying methods to remove excess moisture. After being carefully washed clean with a specialized brush to remove any dirt or impurities clinging to their vibrant skin, the dragon fruits proceed smoothly along the conveyor belt to the next stage of processing. This washing step is crucial, as it ensures that the fruits are hygienic and visually appealing, ready to meet the highest standards of quality expected by consumers. The conveyor belt, an essential part of the streamlined workflow, gently transports the freshly cleaned fruits in an orderly fashion, minimizing the risk of bruising or damage. As they glide along, their bright hues and unique textures make for a striking visual display, a testament to nature's artistry and the meticulous care invested in their handling. After being carefully washed clean with a specialized brush to remove any dirt or impurities clinging to their vibrant skin, the dragon fruits proceed smoothly along the conveyor belt to the next stage of processing. This washing step is crucial, as it ensures that the fruits are hygienic and visually appealing, ready to meet the highest standards of quality expected by consumers. In the juice-making process, the freshly cut dragon fruit pieces are transferred to high-quality blending machines designed to extract their rich, nutritious juice while maintaining their natural flavors and vibrant color. The machines operate efficiently, breaking down the tender flesh and seeds into a smooth, liquid form without losing the fruit's valuable nutrients. The freshly prepared juice is carefully transferred into a filling system equipped with advanced machine nozzles. These nozzles are designed for precision, ensuring that the juice is dispensed into each glass bottle efficiently and without spillage. The bottles, arranged in neat rows on the conveyor belt, glide into position beneath the nozzles, where they are filled to the exact required level, maintaining consistency and quantity across the production line. The bottles are submerged in a controlled water bath, where gentle jets or agitation remove any impurities without compromising the integrity of the seal. Each bottle is fitted with a sticker that serves as both a brand identifier and a source of important product information. Using advanced labeling machines, the stickers are precisely aligned and affixed to the bottles, ensuring a neat and professional appearance. Once labeled, the bottles are ready for the final stages of packaging, where they are carefully prepared for transport and distribution. The entire process of preparing dragon fruits for packaging is efficiently carried out on a conveyor belt. Once cleaned, the fruits are carefully moved along the belt to the peeling section, where their tough outer skins are removed with precision. Automated machinery or skilled workers carefully strip away the leathery outer layer, revealing the tender, speckled flesh inside. After peeling, the fruits are cut into uniform cubes by cutting machines that slice the flesh into perfect pieces, optimizing the size for packaging. These freshly cut cubes are then transported along the conveyor to the final stage, where they are packed into bags. The bags are sealed with care to preserve the freshness and quality of the dragon fruit cubes, ready for distribution. The freeze-drying process for dragon fruit is an effective method to preserve its nutrients, vibrant color, and flavor for extended shelf life. The process begins with selecting ripe, high-quality dragon fruits, which are thoroughly washed, peeled, and cut into uniform slices or cubes. These pieces are then pre-frozen at a temperature below -40°C to ensure they are completely solid. Using a Kemolo freeze dryer, the frozen fruit is placed in the drying chamber, where a vacuum is created to facilitate sublimation, allowing moisture to transition directly from ice to vapor. Gentle heating plates aid in this process, without melting the fruit, while the moisture is collected in a separate condensation chamber. Once the freeze-drying cycle is complete, the dragon fruit is lightweight, crispy, and nutrient-rich, ready for long-term storage. The final product is packaged in airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags to maintain its quality, making it ideal for snacks, powders, or use as an ingredient in recipes. This method ensures the dragon fruit retains up to 97% of its original nutrients, offering a highly efficient and sustainable preservation solution. Dragon fruit products offer a variety of ways to enjoy this nutritious and vibrant fruit. Its versatility extends beyond the fresh fruit itself, with options like dragon fruit juice, jam, and yogurt. The peel, rich in antioxidants, can be used to create natural food coloring. These products not only showcase the deliciousness of dragon fruit, but also highlight its potential as a functional food with various health benefits.